necklaces for for me and my brother.
Kids get really excited when they do their clay projects.
I was rolling the clay, then I made it into a circle, then I gotta press it.
We've got a good tradition of doing clay at the elementary level at Minnetonka Public Schools. Not every elementary kid out there gets to do this. The kiln that I have been using, it was getting to the point where it was needing multiple repairs a year. So this brand new kiln has been just super excellent to have to keep us making high quality work. There's a medium out there for everybody. We have a lot of kids whose creativity really takes off once they can get their hands on something tangible like clay.
I had to add texture like this, like this flap one.
I want to thank the Minnetonka Foundation for providing a brand new kiln for Deephaven Elementary. I'm going to take really good care of it, and this is going to be a gift for the Deephaven students for a really long time. Thank you so much.